If your jumper cables have ever failed you when you needed them most, you already know how bad that situation gets. Dead battery, stranded somewhere, cables overheating, clamps slipping. I've seen cheap cables melt insulation or just flat out not carry enough current to start a car. And that's the mistake people buy based on price, not performance. So in this video, I'm breaking down 5 jumper cables that actually deliver real power, solid clamps, and reliability when it matters so you don't get stuck or waste money on junk. And real quick, if you want honest hands-on car gear reviews, hit subscribe. I've put the best deals for all these cables in the description, and if you're not sure what gauge or length you need for your vehicle, drop a comment. I'll help you choose the right setup. Starting at number 5, the ABIGAIL heavy-duty jumper cables. These are designed as a budget-friendly option, but they're built better than most cheap sets. You're getting thick insulated wiring, decent copper-coated aluminum conductors, and solid clamps with a firm grip. The length is practical for most situations, and the insulation holds up well in different weather conditions. Now here's where this really works: everyday emergencies. I've used cables like this for standard cars and smaller SUVs, and they'll get the job done as long as your battery isn't completely dead. The clamps bite well enough, and the current flow is stable for typical jump starts. This is what most people don't realize: not every cable needs to be massive, but it does need to be consistent. For the price, this is a solid backup to keep in your trunk. The drawback is the conductors aren't as efficient as pure copper, so performance drops on larger engines. Now if you want something a bit more robust, number 4, the Goodyear heavy-duty jumper cables. These step up in overall build quality. The insulation is thicker, the clamps feel stronger, and the cable flexibility is better, especially in colder conditions. You're still working with a copper-clad design, but the construction is tighter and more durable. After using these, the difference is in reliability. They feel more stable during a jump, and the clamps stay locked in place without slipping. This is what most people don't think about: a weak clamp can ruin the whole process, even if the cable itself is decent. These are a good option for drivers who want something dependable without going into premium pricing. They're great for daily drivers and occasional use. The downside is they're not the best choice for heavy-duty trucks or very large engines. Now at number 3, the Energizer 30-foot, 1-gauge jumper cables with 800 air rating. This is where things start getting serious. First, that 1-gauge cable means you're getting much better current flow compared to thinner wires. Then you've got the 30-foot length, which is huge in real-world situations. You're not always able to park nose to nose when jumping a car. The clamps are solid, and the build quality feels like it's meant for repeated use. Here's where this really stands out: power and flexibility. I've used longer, thicker cables like this when dealing with bigger vehicles or awkward parking situations, and they make a massive difference. After using this, going back to shorter, thinner cables feels limiting. This is what most people don't realize: length and gauge together determine how effective your jump is. These are perfect for SUVs, trucks, or anyone who wants extra reach. The drawback is they're bulkier, so they take up more storage space. Now if you want something balanced between performance and practicality, number 2, the TOPDC 6-gauge 16-foot jumper cables. These hit a sweet spot for most drivers. You've got a solid 6-gauge cable that delivers reliable current for standard vehicles, and the 16-foot length is enough for most real-world scenarios without being oversized. The clamps are well designed, with a strong grip and good conductivity. This is where this really makes a difference: consistency without overkill. I've used cables in this range for years, and they're often the most practical choice. They start cars quickly, they're easy to handle, and they don't take up too much space. This is what most people don't think about: you don't always need the biggest cable, you need the right balance. Compared to cheaper thin cables, this feels like a major upgrade in performance. The only drawback is it's not ideal for very large engines or extreme cold conditions. And finally, at number 1, the Energizer 20-foot heavy-duty jumper cables. This is the set I recommend to most people without hesitation. You're getting thick, high-quality conductors, strong clamps, and a length that works in almost any situation without being excessive. The build quality is consistent, and the cables are designed to deliver solid current without overheating or losing efficiency. Here's where this really stands out: reliability when it matters most. I've used Energizer cables across different vehicles, and they just work. No guessing, no struggling to get a connection. After using this, the difference is obvious: quicker starts, more stable power delivery, and less frustration overall. This is the kind of cable you keep in your car and trust when something goes wrong. It's perfect for daily drivers, families, and anyone who wants peace of mind. The drawback? It's not the absolute longest option, so in rare cases, you might wish for a bit more reach. So here's how I'd break it down. If you're on a tight budget and need a basic emergency set, number 5 will do the job. If you want a more durable everyday option, number 4 is a step up. For maximum power and reach, especially with larger vehicles, number 3 is a strong choice. If you want a balanced practical cable for most situations, number 2 is hard to beat. But if you want the best overall mix of performance, reliability, and ease of use, number 1 is the one I'd recommend. All the links with the latest prices are in the description, so check those out before they change. If this helped you avoid getting stranded with dead cables, hit subscribe for more real-world automotive reviews and drop a comment with your vehicle. I'll help you pick the right gear so you're ready before something goes wrong.